Welcome to Tools Query, your one-stop YouTube channel for all things about power tools. Today, we're talking about the best router bits for woodworking. Router bits are one of the most essential tools for any woodworker. They can be used for a wide variety of tasks, from cutting straight lines to creating complex shapes. But with so many different router bits on the market, it can be tough to know which ones to choose. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 router bits for woodworking, based on quality, performance, and versatility. We'll also be giving you some tips on how to choose the right router bits for your specific needs. So whether you're a beginner woodworker or a seasoned pro, be sure to stick around for this video. Number 1. Freud 99-036 1-3 by 4-inch router bit set. The Freud 99-036 comes with an impressive set of specifications, including a 7 by 8-inch bearing diameter, 1-3 by 4-inch overall diameter, and a 1 by 2-inch shank diameter. The carbide height is adjustable from 13 by 16 to 1-11 by 32 inches, giving you precise control over your cuts. The Freud 99-036 bits are coated with silver, a revolutionary coating that minimizes heat and pitch buildup. Number 2. BOSCH RBS 030 MBS Router Bit Sets. The bits in this set are made with high-quality micrograin carbide tips, which makes them very durable and long-lasting. The bits in this set are designed to work with a variety of materials, including soft and hard wood, as well as wood composites. The bits in this set have an anti-friction coating that helps to reduce heat and buildup, which results in smoother cuts. The set comes in a convenient plastic storage case, so you can easily keep your bits organized and protected. Number 3. BINSTAK CNC half-inch router bit. The BINSTAK CNC router bit features a half-inch shank with a 2-inch cut diameter and a half-inch cut length. It's equipped with a sharp carbide tip, a solid hardened steel body with an anti-kickback design, and a heat-resistant Teflon coating. This router bit is compatible with woods, MDF, laminate, particle board, plywood, compact panels, acrylic, and more. It's designed to work seamlessly on CNC routers, handheld routers, and table-mounted portable routers. Number 4. KOWOOD KA01 1 by 4-inch router bit. It's built for heavy-duty use and is designed to withstand the test of time. The 1 by 4-inch shank of these bits provides greater stability and minimizes vibration during use. Make sure to clamp it at least to the K line for optimal performance. One of the standout features of this router bit set is its versatility. It works seamlessly with a variety of materials, including wood, MDF, particle board, plywood, and compact panels. It comes in a sturdy wooden case, making it easy to store between projects. Number 5. HILTEX 10108 Router Bit Set. The router bits in this set are made of machined IG8 tungsten carbide blades. Tungsten carbide is known for its hardness and durability, making it suitable for clean cuts in wood. Each router bit in the set has a universal 1 by 4-inch shank. The bits are made of hardened solid alloy steel and have a powder-coated finish. These features contribute to their longevity and durability in woodworking applications. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the best router bits for woodworking. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tricks.